Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a video about Safari browser application on iPhone. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to delete the research or the search history on Safari application. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your Safari application, and after that you just need to go access the history search on your Safari application by go click these book symbols here. And after that there will be three sections: favorite, reading list, and this one is the history part. And to clear this history section you just need to go click this clear, and you just need to choose like which history or which search history that you want to delete. You can do all the time if you want to delete all, or you can also do today if you want to delete only today history. So let's do all time, and now all of the search history on your Safari is already cleaned. So that's the way how to clean up your search history on Safari. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.